In this video, I will show you how to create an avatar for your Instagram profile. So let's learn how to do it. Open Instagram first and go directly click on your profile here in the corner of the screen. Click on edit profile. You will see right now here two options to change your profile picture. For me, I wanna have an avatar. Click here and click create avatar. Then click if you want to create it based on your selfie or just create it manually. Click here, choose your skin color and click next. Here choose your face, your haircut, click next, and you have to edit all of this, your body. Click continue and then edit all these steps and click down when you finish, and that's all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bye.